Hey GlamFam, welcome back, besties. So previously we did some shopping at Five Below and I did shopping online. So you're going to pack those items with me today, all in one bin. Some of the things did not fit. I picked up a bin from Walmart because I could not find a bin anywhere else, like purple. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait for her to get out of this purple phase. Everything that we're packing did not come from Five Below, so let's get to packing, you guys. All right, so we're gonna be moving things around until they fit the way they're supposed to, so that they can all fit inside this bin. All right, the first thing we're gonna put in here is a Stanley with accessories to go with it. We're adding purple boba. I could not find a purple reading blanket, so I got this one on Temu, and I think I showed you guys this in a haul previously. She likes to draw. Her little drawings are all over the place. This might have been the third book, but I'm going to reiterate that all the drawings has to stay in this book, just because the papers just don't stay organized. It's hard to keep them organized, so she can do her little drawing in this book. And what is a gift bin without a book for reading? So she's going to be reading this book. Did get her some pastel markers. Still playing around, trying to see what goes where. We may have to reshuffle. But yeah, so after we're done packing the bin, we're just going to get a ribbon, put around it, and a nice big bow to slap on the top. All right, loofah is going in. The baby is also going in there. Sanitizer. Lip smacker. I've shown you guys these cards before. Those are gonna go in here as well. Lip smacker. A little purple pouch. It can be used for a little girly bag. Perhaps for when she's going to middle school. Headbands, purple headbands for bath time. A purple toothbrush. I found this little book on Temu, so I'll be adding little letters in here, and then she can have that at a later time in her life. Purple headband. She says these are diamond paintings. I got these on Amazon. So this was something that she wanted. Her Amazon list was like long from here to Chicago. And of course, the purple princess pen. The popcorns won't fit in here. Look at that. They won't fit, so we'll just find a way to package that later. But anyway, I'm gonna put this on here. Put the lid on. You're gonna wrap it? And then I'm gonna get like a bowl. So we'll take pictures. I did get this little bag. How cute is this with this bow? So yeah, she's gonna take pictures with her outfit in that. It wasn't purple, but I saw the bag. I love the bag, and I thought, okay, this is like something she can wear. It's also kind of neutral, so she can pair this with a lot of different outfits. I think it's just such a cute bag. It's kind of giving first lady vibes. All right, our old lunch cards that we've been using are tattered. They've been so tired, so I did purchase a new set of cards on Amazon that we're going to be adding to her lunchbox. I like to give her little motivational notes in our lunchbox every single day. Oh, and one more thing. I wanted to show you guys this little package that I found on Amazon. It's with the letter of her name. So we're going to set that up, add some balloons in here. It did come with the balloons and it was not expensive at all. This was on Temu. So we're going to set that up and we're going to decorate that so that she can use it as a prop for when I take her pictures. Alright, so with her name being letter X, it's a little bit complicated, but it came in different pieces. Easy to set up. I simply used like clear tape, packing tape on here to kind of hold it together, and then when I'm done, I simply use a little razor. You can use a scissor to just cut it back, put it back to its normal position, and we're going to store this under her mattress so that we can use it again. All right, that's all together. I'm going to use this spray paint to spray paint some flowers that I have, some petals that I had from my sister's surprise party a few years ago, maybe 2-3 years ago. So I never threw anything out, you guys, forgive me. But yeah, so let's spray paint these outside. And this is what that is looking like. So we're going to use that as a prop for her. And this is what it's looking like on the outside.